back to my channel. My name is Alka. Today I'm going to show you how to make microwave from cardboard and it's a toy. First of all, I'm going to show you my ATM machine in my home. You are saying it's just a fun, but not. It's my ATM machine. See how pretty it is. There's a money logo and you have to put pin. So I'm going to show you how it works. So guys, first of all, I just put the rupees over here and coins over here. So I'm putting pin 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So let me use my credit card. Right there. Right down. See, my money came down. See, now I'm gonna show you how the coins came out. See, the coins came out. Like it? I knew that. Like it, so I will put this in next. So now I'm gonna make microwave. So let's get started. So first of all, I have this big cardboard box. So I just made this lines to make the cardboard, but I'm gonna make microwave. So first of all, we have to cut from over here in the outer part of it and then the inner part of it. I just cut this plate out to put inside the microwave. Now I'm gonna stick this plate. First of all, glue the glue. Let me open it. My microwave is ready. I just put the paper on it. See? Now I'm gonna put this plastic over here to make it more realistic for with now put the middle of it because then the microwave is ready. Look at this, so pretty and I love it. So let's open. There's a plate, so cutie pie plates. So I have made these cookies. Then let's put in the micro. Oh, what here? Goes to them. So let me put the timer. 1, 3. Okay. Take time. Oh, it's ready. So let's take it out. Oh, there it is. Oh, yummy. If you like my video, if you smash that like button and don't let them go by and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you will notification. And you like my microwave, so give a big thumbs up and goodbye.